Hello! Welcome back to Poetry Factory channel. In this video, you will study about two kinds of figurative language. There are personification and simile. See, the sun smiling and rolling in front of us.
With me, Anissa Kusulaningsi. I'm student of English Education Study Program at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I hope you enjoy my video. Let's start! Are you familiar with this? Personification is also a form of figurative language in which something that is not human is given human characteristics. The device is often used in poetry or lyrics to enhance the meaning and beauty of them. In poetry, personification gives human traits and qualities such as emotions, sensations, gesture, and speech, often by way of a metaphor. Example, the sun smiles at us. Obviously, the sun cannot really smile, only people can. Why use personification in a poetry? First, personification can be used to emphasize a point in your writing. Second, it can also be used to make a reader understand something that you are trying to say. Third, personification also a way to add more description to your poem by giving human characteristics to inanimate objects. After this, we see the example of personification in poem. Can you find a personification in this poem? Wordsworth is famous for taking nature and giving it human qualities. This poem is no different. It tells how those golden daffodils dance and move in the breeze instead of just getting blown about. Move to the second section, it's about simile. Let's be started. Different with personification, a simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things. It's also different with metaphor. It is one of the examples of the poem that contain many simile. Already tell you all have the awesome subject. See you on the next video. Thank you.